Good morning, class. I still remain my humble self, Ubon Edim. Today we are going to see how we can present a letter that was written by one of our students. Her name is Bright Bassi. So she actually wrote a letter asking for leave of absence from class. So we are going to see, this is the letter. So we want to type the letter into our computer using word processor. So what happens is that when you launch your Microsoft Word, you will have a table, a window like this. You have a window that looks like this. So when you come to the window, the first thing you do, you check the line spacing. Make sure that the line spacing is at 1.0. Go down again and say remove space after paragraph. After that, you adjust the font size. Adjust it to a desired font size. So we can start typing. Looking at our letter, you use your tap button and move to the right hand side. You now type Bright Bassi. You enter. You go again. Japan, Nigeria. You go again. Idoro Road, Uyo. You go again, the date, 15th December 2022. After type, look at the 4 lines that we have here. The longer one is the date. So we tap the date. Then you can see that if we tap again, okay, there is still space, but if we tap again, it will cross to the next line. We don't want that, so we move back. So that is to tell us that we have to tap the rest for two times. Tap them two times so that they follow one line. They follow a straight line. We are done with that side. The next one is this side, director. Japan, Nigeria. Okay. Idoro Road, Uyo. Sir, comma. Then, we are following her letter. We are following her letter. So the subject of the letter is absence from class. And you can see that it is centralized. So we type Control E. Control E. Then the subject should be bold. So Control B to bold. We now type. We combine our Shift key and type absence from class. Enter. Then we unbold. We unbold. We can now type the body of the letter I. Bright Bassi, a native of Idorobio, currently learning that requires assistance. From here to here. So that is how we have been able to move. So in our next class, we are going to see how you can see that the letter has signature inscribed. So in our next class, by the grace of God, we are going to see how we can sign that signature without using light pen, without scanning the signature. As in, you can use your mouse and sign that signature into this letter. So apart from the signature, do you have any question? The red lines. Okay, you are asking, the red line is because the Bassey, this name Bassey is not saved in our dictionary. It is not an English name. Japal is not English language. That is why it is still underlined. So if you don't want it to, if you want to store it, if you want to put it in your dictionary, you right click the word. You right click the word and say add to dictionary. If you want to save so that next time you type that word, it doesn't underline again, you save it, you add it to your dictionary. So you can just right click the word, right click the word, and then you say add to dictionary. Once you do that, you see that that word will not be underlined again. We have been able to add Bassey to our dictionary now. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, invite your friends, share our content, and don't miss our videos. God bless you.